In today's fast-moving world, millions of people are stuck, confused, lost. They don't know which path to choose or what decision to make. Are you one of them? If yes, then this video is for you. Part 1. Why are people so confused? The world has changed. We are surrounded by information. Thousands of choices, millions of opinions. But deep down, we are more confused than ever. Why? Because we never learned one important skill: critical thinking. Part 2. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking means not accepting everything blindly, not following the crowd. It means asking powerful questions. Why am I doing this? What is the real truth? What are the options? What are the consequences? Critical thinking gives you the power to think independently, to make smart choices, and to find your true path in life. Part 3. Why most people lack critical thinking. From childhood, we are taught to obey, not to question. Schools, parents, society, they all say, follow the rules, don't ask too much. But real success starts when you start questioning, when you start thinking deeply. Part 4. How to develop critical thinking. Now you must be wondering, okay, but how do I develop critical thinking? Here's the way. Step 1. Question everything. Whenever you hear something, ask, is this true? Why should I believe it? Step 2. Gather real information. Read from multiple sources. Don't trust just one video, one post, or one teacher. Step 3. Think from different angles. Ask yourself, what are other possibilities? What if I do the opposite? Step 4. Stay patient. Critical thinking is like a muscle. It grows slowly. Practice every day. Step 5. Trust yourself. Believe in your ability to figure things out, even if the path is unclear. Part 5. The power of critical thinking in your life. You are capable of thinking deeply. You are capable of finding your true path. But it starts with a small decision today to start thinking critically. Are you ready? If you are ready, type "I choose to think" in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful life lessons. This is Abhishek, signing off. See you in the next video.